Badwam TV so Adom TV so bedwon dwumadi so dia wo kan se wo sempan sa ken no pen so ja me di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back up the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and Messi kunya na me ko no kwantin ko din small sa ken no pen so e wo Ghana goodiem ejao say no so mam say one expert have always told you that betting there is better than sakawa we try to before try to kuma bi odin kuma sa no manum ka kire busuafo na fofo yere ma wo fasefo na mu krumu eno mpnafo nyina se na no ada boys nyamo financial freedom di bro nyane kama new year so no ane esa to house ntipo modern da so do betu sa gym na mu bet with money that you can afford to lose sika yere nya no eno ane edi twa bet utwa bet na da dwene kakra tia sa to se bet di wa wani betia pruso betia ko adwene betia bomutim betia hyehyew enti e na odi adwene kakra tia te ba we nyina akire no na se still per bet dia e 1x bet ehun komo ana medi e dia chewe the first message with that infections do say gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so di po na chiwa do eboa prapra harawa na umre bo ma otimi di nchini chebo modern da ukọ herbal shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne ma on sabetimi aka the first message na wetin to be na odi akoye ho Sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel for a pampas be pin wona se no do ba ko 2 years say pain if you hono Sedimo gel and roll-on ukọ ashama me market enye na feteman so on sabetia ka bi se wutu akoto anase woto na odi aye ho no obetia from 0208219129 na one Sedimo gel and roll-on yentwetwe nkomo yenhwe moa ema pomodon sem so enyina pintin ewaradem we mo one sponsors e techira bomena no penso ye dia wo kensi wo sempa saka etimijaw a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step yen chase padia Mohamed Polo kwajiri se ono na Ghana ye good ene Africa ina ye good no ye ka board ya papa yi ebebo bi ma house of folk na nano ada wo de ne nhyehyɛ ahodo a obedi ye wi asim na no atwero ne nkrata kama e de agubu kuma wotimi esa lanche empen fawdo ekopie masene nyasem keto akrafe ene ne Mohamed Polo HSL san awo a development planner and also de akoja Ghana mampanyi enra ana Mohamed Polo ekodi sa dwumadi.
Your government for the love for football hosted CAF African Award. I was there, but I was not to be recognized over there. And I was, we were invited, the GFA, leadership at that time invited some of us. We thought, they would present us to you. It didn't happen. So I sat down quietly. I was really very sad. But when you came to give your remarkable speech, when an award was given to you, you said this award doesn't belong to, you. You said it belongs to some legends who have sacrificed for Ghana. And you were mentioning Mohamed Polo. I said, my God. I've seen now that our time, we had a brand, and that is Ghana brand of football. It is called Agro at that time. Unfortunately, it looks as if, things are, shifting because of the sort of, rush for outside, contracts. So we want everything to come in time. So we don't give these, talented ones, the time to write. And it looks as if it's not helping us. And so I said, no, because it's the right time for me to see His Excellency. I have to introduce this brand of football, Agro, with the 5 years development plan. I said, no, this is also the time, to also present the plan to His Excellency. And I know His Excellency, love football. He loves to see quality football. He has seen us. And I think we have to give the younger ones the experience, what we have, for them to go from, because it looks as if the talents are there. And something got to be done, and that is what I intend doing. And I'm happy it's the right time, to come and present this 5 years with all the launching and whatever it is. And that is why His Excellency called me to come and
Nti Mohamed Polo, the dribbling magician, and I'll tell the cancer no copy mampenya so enough for born in Kumo after so true book no, and on the 5-year development plan as a peso na ochichi mu area check Ghana mampenya say be bitia sabo na timi atintam. It's not a 5-year development plan without money no, a 5-year development story. And into her cinema ACTA, next will be his car creditia boa, Emaniama etia kuyi ediamasa plano. Na Ghana mampenya na dan kwa kufa do so be considers a 5-year youth football development planner, Mohamed Polo, the legend. What the abano?
Who do not support Hatzovo. We recognize your talent, yeah, and continue to acknowledge all that you have done for Ghanaian football and Ghanaian sports. It's been a lifetime's contribution, and we're all very grateful to you for that. I think the two books, the two papers that you have presented to me today are absolutely on point, just as your visit today is on point. There's always the right time to meet, and this is the right time. Despite all that has gone before, this is the right time. I'm always encouraged by citizens of this country that continue to show an interest in the development of our country in their areas of speciality, even long after they themselves are active in the area. And that is a real love of country that you demonstrate in doing that. And I find it really, really commendable, highly appreciated. It's an example you're setting for the future generation of people.
Inti Ghana mampenyi ana otene kanso de bofuna to fam kode na odi eja Mohamed Polo kwanya me adoma me sure says a 5-year development plan ni e be pes kadwetira shim se be bitia boa ema emofra nkuma Mohamed Polo eda na kuma so betetiom no san hyehyɛ no so etimi wie peyo yemfa ni nkyire mu ewo eye dwumadi ba ko no so eba so we Sempa Sports Dialogue nyame adoma wɔkyena ewo Ghana Digital Center odo wani kyira wudo me hye so no ma obi so bia se wo hwe Ghana Digital Center obehu na ntempa so nso aba na obeka yekobese ya no e de afase na niam asitie e de ma Ghana gudia na yi ase ni parodo na enfomani enkyira goma no so nkohwa kensi no nti ehwe kwankwa be fa so e be stadium na boma se ebe eton sa de afre major and minor stakeholders na so bia mra na sa dwumadi ana former GFA Vice President George Akwasi Afriye the Japanese mafia ono so de na north sa tum se nyame adoma ono so baby to srama for say omo embeka ho na yempadwene emfama Ghana gudia no entumpon no pa best no sia de ne esi enkunya de da best no wotwe no na dwumadi na ahyase ewo Ghana Digital Center ntimsrew ya ba bia obia no opese Ghana gudia timetumpon a na oso do ho abegidrom sa dwumadi na afi wa be kire wadwe wase ese be ya ebetia boa ema yakudie no ayede ewo Ghana ha na former executive committee member no SI board member Edema Mediama Sporting Club Ura Tony Obin and so na no etiansa to mono so gidi pass kwankwan o gidi pass asamanfo enfomani entiansa nche ya goma no so mehwa kensi ne ebi nso nie
that if that thing has factual base because it's Accra and Kumasi that seem to have been suffering that
from that phase.
Go to Samarai and tell me that fans don't go to the stadium. Go to Takwa and tell me that they don't go. Go to Benchim. Fans go. I mean, generally. So I think that assertion, I wonder if it is factually based. But it is because these areas create the optics. But now, if you watch the Kotoko match in Kumasi, which was played on Monday, did you watch it on
unfortunately, I couldn't watch it.
Monday. Look at the number of people were there. I think it means that when Haas and Kotoko they have big following, so when they are not getting the results, some people get angry and they even don't want to go to the stadium. But again, it is also clear that if we could rearrange our timing, it may attract people. Monday, there's no football activity. I mean, I won't say no, but there are very few football activity, international activities. The EPL may not be playing, La Liga, which Ghanaians watch a lot. So you can get football-loving people to go there. So there are a lot of things that have to be done to attract a lot of supporters. Thankfully, the league is would be going into this league owners managed system, which they call the autonomous league system.
Yeah.
And I believe when we get to that point, I think there will be a more focus on how officiation will be good, because sometimes people don't go because they think, oh, this match we know the results, so we won't go and waste our time.
To Dr. Tony Obin, executive council member, and attending council didn't come Asia, GFA4 Akache. Now, where factors and Namsuma Manfon is a matches no, stadium bebre na, there's a BGD pass, Senanema is your time credible matches no, and Fivom, Oko Tamalia, say Bobese, and Numa, and so Mutimi Comos. Ekobon pai kakra sabre no mo park so ya na ehide ni mo mteni omunya na dwo matches so mo pe facilities ni hia ye de bebo anadwo matches we nya kuma hodo a amanfo de pepim okọ other jurisdictions abehwe no na omso ebo matches no eye fefefe a omso game centers a utimi say invest in one particular game center ye de akensi ni 10 times so Ghana ha ye game center ewa bia obi a bitia converge ho no de akensi na betin times so na we any sembe berebi na nyame adoma asempa sports dialogue dwumedie kese bitia sa abaso ochene fiada anopa bes no twena dwumedie ne yasinkunya ye besebese ho na pe Ghana kudie no de puma sibrenti misra ba bia wo bia no na odwani etia sa kire se we open invitation to all nyame adoma abenefo so ba betrase a ye bedi san komani ahwaboa ema ne ma etimi akoye bidi besia na madawase na mama mu ene hwe hye no so ma me se 1xbet wo mo etachiri pa one at the betting papa and it's I've always told you that betting there is better than Sakawa. I feel so do when each man Jeffas Mr. Dre, a boy Juma Pap more than that sound Sabitia can Jeffas and Subeboa, and I feel Sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel. One more attach the boy made the sanchez on Quit and Sabreu. When so is with you, then Sergeant Pa Okufodia opposite the former NIB bank no, I dream a pa Ton Kettins, and who say on a dada, my be my feeding him tafa, more Heston and Yama ACL costing fantastic morning and coma Adjunepa. And I feel so kuma presla boa and I feel retire boa also your nest Okufodia Zungu muna mo ehwese na nema esi koso mini kuma presla also be bia obi an so me chia hu se ohwese mesi koso ekọ sabeni ho no muna mo hwe TV no uti adwumedie dia na ma wo shibubu ashikane hia bobolo shi feda baka kopin bomeka dan suma da kuma Okufodia sumsan kedibodu asma kese bi mamponte fa de kitikrache kopim so do wini baka so anya no kwati mpokwesu jamai akosumbu ene ne hye soso ga kopeda bala hohoi ekuchitu adidome de wani chire pando bu aketim konkoko bo me obonkotia kobepon afufu ani chire na do mahena tan ewodo mahin kru afi kubrekum fu ani chire eye edua ya nkwanta ene miamia hodo nyina Consumerland esuboy odo wani twen sacha mafu tie bruta obasu hu ne samuma amafu egu a musu tie no edamu nyina ase nyame adoma bedwondwumedie no san to aso bi e de ma within the Prof Ike Wallace and amegyina mu e the evidence based sports presentation it message out rade entene ni ma onyo kese onyi fi bebia ni da so ni emfa nko bebia ni da so the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.